Hello, today I will be showing you how to use Google Voice in your videos. First you go to your browser and search Google Translate. Now that you have gotten into Google Translate, you are going to select which language you want. Now you type in what you want Google to say. Like and subscribe. Now you are going to right-click on your mouse and go to Inspect Element. Click on Network. Make sure it's recording and play your audio. Like and subscribe. Now right-click on Translate_TTS and go open a new tab. Now just download the file and that's it.